A phone marketed with American identity is not made in America. Trump Mobile confirmed the T1 phone will be produced overseas. This raises important questions about technology, manufacturing, and supply chains. To understand this, grasp how smartphones are built today. Modern smartphones are global products. Even American-designed phones rely on international supply chains. Chips come from Asia, displays from South Korea or China, and batteries sourced worldwide. Assembly occurs where skilled labor and infrastructure exist, not ideology, but logistics. Building a phone entirely in the US is extremely difficult. It's not impossible, but economically unrealistic at consumer scale. Domestic assembly drastically raises retail prices. Labor costs are higher, specialized factories limited, and component ecosystems fragmented. Even Apple, despite its resources, does not assemble iPhones in the US. The T1 phone follows this reality. It is designed for an American audience yet produced abroad to minimize costs. This is standard in tech. The notable aspect is branding, where national identity influences consumer expectations and value. From a beginner's view, this explains the rarity of "Made in America" in electronics. Professionals see a structural dependence on Asian factories. Shenzhen, Taiwan, South Korea, and Vietnam dominate due to scale and supply chain density, optimizing entire cities for electronics production. Timing also matters. Moving production to the US takes years, new factories, workforce training, approvals, and billions in investment. This is why reshoring is often discussed but rarely enacted. Assembly location does not dictate quality. Quality depends on design and control processes, firmware, and long-term support. A phone built overseas can excel, while a domestic one may fail if poorly executed. This story reveals the clash between modern tech branding and manufacturing reality. It differentiates between narrative and infrastructure, messaging and materials, aspiration and execution. For the tech industry, this is familiar. For consumers, it serves as a reminder. Smartphones are not national products. They are global machines, designed in one place, built in another, and sold everywhere. The T1 phone is not unique. It is a visible case study in how technology is made in the real world.